There are a lot of things happening in the Uganda politics that you should not be missing. We know NRM is moving on with their organizational preparation, and also NOPE, as well as DP and several other party members are gearing up for the 2026 general election, which many parties are strongly preparing, are trying to do their best. When you take a look at DP, there has been a lot of controversies from the DP side, including protest against Mao. Some other people are worried, especially Mao supporters, that Mao may not make it this time to win this election, or if he is to win, the margin will be small.
Let me see the one who shouts most. DP Oye.
Continue.
The sound is very low. NRM Oye.
So the Daily Monitor has reported that chaos has again broken out during the counting of votes at the ongoing Democratic Party National Delegates Conference, which is taking place in Mbara City. I believe you know. This came after the presiding officer and security personnel grabbed boxes containing ballot papers from the tally center to Asama County Resort main hall. They went to Asama County Resort main hall, and this was after the honor of the premise where the tally center was organized attempted to remove the DP tent, saying their contract expired. Some DP members, however, claimed it was a trick by their party's electoral commission to try and rig for the incumbent party president, that is Norbert Mao, who serves as the justice minister. So this report is coming in from Julius Biamukama. Check this out. Well, the same thing is also being reported by NBS television. They just gave us a small clip. This is scenes from the DP Delegates conference as the Tally Center was moved to hotel rooms, raising transparency concerns. The name of the hotel is known as Asama County Resort Main Hall. So there's tally concern already at the center, which is not so easy.
Article 65 grants the mandate to the delegates to nominate or elect the person who is supposed to get us through the process of election. Nobody is supposed to impose a person on us. So in the same vein, we are telling all those people, the former leaders of the Democratic Party, that they have no powers to nominate anybody or appoint anybody to get us to the elections. We have elected Dr. Ballot to get us to the election process, and so it will be. We are going to elect our leaders who will lead us to the next dispensation of the Democratic Party. Thank you very much.
This is the clip. Well, Chris Bermunsi, who serves as a minister for the ICT and national guidance, has also asked question for NRM delegates in the conference meeting that what will happen if Museveni goes?
NRM must go. What if it goes? Will you wind up? Oh, the theme of your party is Museveni must go. So what if he goes? So will you also wind up and go back home? Parties are built on ideologies. What did you believe in as a party? And I usually challenge our brothers and sisters. What ideology are you professing that should persuade Ugandans to think that you can run Uganda better than NRM? And they usually fail to answer that question. But NRM is a party that is anchored on ideological strengths, and we usually summarize the ideology of the NRM into 4 key areas, which I'm sure that because of NRM, if it was NRM, people like you would not be in the parliament. So there are many achievements. Then the last one is democracy. The last pillar is democracy, the one which has ushered you into this room, because we have gone through a democratic process to be elected. And that's why I have just told you that in 24 years we had elections only once, but we had gross 10 presidents in Uganda, and Ugandans were not participating in who brings those presidents or who removes them. You are ready, you hear the new president is Professor Lee. After a few days, they say he has been removed. You don't know who has brought him, who has removed him. You even have Norbert to ask, and you are just there. So